Welcome to PeacefulMind Haven. I'm here to guide you into deep, restful sleep in just 10 minutes. Before we begin, let me briefly explain what we'll be doing and why it works. This meditation uses a technique called progressive relaxation, combined with breath awareness. When you consciously relax your body and slow your breathing, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural rest and digest mode. This signals to your brain that it's safe to sleep. We'll move through 3 layers. First, we'll ground your body in awareness. Second, we'll release physical tension and mental activity. And third, we'll guide you into a peaceful, sleep-ready state. Find a comfortable position in your bed. You can lie on your back, your side, or whatever position feels most natural for sleep. There's no need to sit up or hold any particular posture. Simply allow yourself to settle into comfort. Let's begin. Close your eyes now and bring your attention to your breath. You don't need to change anything about your breathing. Simply notice it. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly. Your breath is always with you, a constant anchor to the present moment. Now, let's establish a calming rhythm together. Breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently for a count of 2. 1, 2, and exhale slowly through your nose for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do this together 3 more times. Breathing in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2, and out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, in for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2. Out for 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. In 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautiful. Now return to your natural breathing rhythm. Notice how your body already feels calmer. Your nervous system is beginning to shift into rest mode. You're grounded. You're safe. You're ready for sleep. Now we'll release tension from your body, starting at the top of your head and moving down to your toes. Bring your awareness to your forehead. Notice any tightness or tension here. On your next exhale, imagine that tension melting away like warm wax. Your forehead becomes smooth, soft, completely relaxed. Move your attention to your eyes. Let your eyelids feel heavy, as if they're made of the softest velvet. The tiny muscles around your eyes release completely. Relax your jaw. Let your lips part slightly if that feels comfortable. Your tongue rests gently at the bottom of your mouth. Your jaw is loose, relaxed, peaceful. Feel a wave of relaxation moving down through your neck and shoulders. These areas often hold so much tension from the day, but right now, you're allowing them to soften. Your shoulders drop away from your ears, becoming heavy and loose. This wave of relaxation continues down your arms. Your upper arms become heavy. Your elbows sink into softness. Your forearms, wrists, and hands all become pleasantly heavy and warm. Even your fingers relax completely. Now bring your attention to your chest and upper back. With each breath, these areas soften more and more. Your rib cage expands and contracts effortlessly, requiring no effort at all. Your belly softens. Your lower back releases into the support beneath you. Your hips become heavy and relaxed. The wave of relaxation moves down your legs now. Your thighs become heavy and still. Your knees relax. Your calves, ankles, and feet all sink into deep relaxation. Even your toes soften completely. Your entire body is now deeply relaxed, heavy, still, peaceful. You are releasing everything that no longer serves you. Tension flows out of your body with each exhale. Now, in this deeply relaxed state, I'm going to guide your mind to a place of complete peace. Imagine yourself in a sanctuary of absolute safety and calm. This might be a quiet room bathed in soft moonlight. It might be floating gently on calm water beneath a starry sky. Or perhaps you're resting in a peaceful meadow under a warm sun. Allow your mind to create whatever peaceful place feels right for you. In this sanctuary, nothing can disturb you. There are no demands, no concerns, no responsibilities. There is only this moment of perfect peace. If any thoughts arise, and they will, that's perfectly natural. Simply acknowledge them like clouds passing through the sky. You don't need to engage with them or push them away. Just let them drift by as you return your attention to your breath in this peaceful place. With each breath, you sink deeper into relaxation, deeper into peace, deeper into sleep. Your body knows how to sleep. You've done it thousands of times before. You don't need to try or force anything. You simply allow sleep to come to you naturally. As I continue speaking, feel yourself drifting closer and closer to sleep. It's as if you're floating gently on a soft cloud, drifting peacefully downward into deep rest. Your breathing is slow and natural. Your body is completely relaxed. Your mind is quiet and calm. You are ready for deep, restorative sleep. I'm going to leave you now in this peaceful state. If you're still awake, simply continue breathing gently and allow sleep to come in its own time. Sleep well, rest deeply, and wake refreshed. Good night from Peaceful Mind Haven.